Hi guys, how can you create this flag mockup effect? Select the quick selection tool and select the flag area where you want to apply the mockup. Press Ctrl+J to create a copy of the selected area. Now select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle over that selected area. Right-click the rectangle layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. Right-click again and select Create Clipping Mask so it fits perfectly into the selected area. Double-click the Smart Object thumbnail of the rectangle layer to open it. Go to File, place Embedded and insert your flag. Press Ctrl+T to adjust it, then press Enter. Now go to File, Save and Close. Return to your main project file. Double-click the mockup layer to open blending option. Under Blend, hold Alt and split the underlying layer slider. Move it to around 216. Press OK. Change the blending mode to multiply. This is how you can create a flag mockup effect in Photoshop.